Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video, it's just gonna be a short one. I'm just wanting to give you guys an update as to what's been happening with my life and also why I have disappeared this past couple of weeks. Okay, so the first reason why I've actually disappeared during this time is number one, we had a baby. Okay, so we had a baby girl, as you guys may have seen from my video last year. We unboxed a plant to find out whether we're having a baby boy or a baby girl, and we did reveal to you guys that we are having a baby girl. And I just wanted to show you guys an image, or rather a short video of her just right here.
Very good, Hi. Very good. Very good. Ooh, tummy time.
She is just the most adorable blessing we could ever have. Now with that, if you have been a parent before or have experienced first-time parenting, which we have now experienced, it's actually nothing compared to what people tell you. It's very difficult, it's very hard, it's hard to explain unless you're put in that situation where you actually have to look after your own bub. And our child was so hard to, I guess, look after in the first 2 weeks because we were quite clueless with regards to the routine, changing nappies, sleepless nights, and just heaps of things that we just weren't prepared for. And I guess that's one of the reasons why I haven't had any chance to actually do any filming. So it's been really difficult. And now she's actually 3 months old, more than 3 months actually. And it's just so amazing how fast time flew by. And during that time, my channel did continue to still grow, still get some hits with some of the videos that I have uploaded from way back when, which is really good. So with all that, I just want to continue to thank you guys for your ongoing support. I will, and I do actually have a lot of plans in terms of the videos that I want to film and post, but it is a bit more challenging now, and I do have my priority, which is my daughter and my wife as well, and living life. So just letting you guys know, that's one of the reasons why I haven't been able to really film, post, and edit any videos lately. The second thing that happened was that I actually had a surgery, believe it or not. So I think it was around 6 weeks after my child got born, I actually had to undergo a surgery. And as crazy as it sounds, because being a first-time parent and then having a surgery, it is really quite challenging. And during that time, I really did lose a bit of motivation to actually do more than what I have to, just purely because you know, when you just had a surgery, you can't carry different things, you can't do the usual activity that you have, like exercising. It really did I guess affect me, not so much making me depressed, but more so just lack of motivation. So during that time after my surgery, I just felt a bit like I couldn't do the usual stuff that I had to do. During that time, I was also working as well, which, you know, is such a blessing because even though I'm not allowed to, or I wasn't advised to drive for around up to 6 weeks after my surgery, I was able to still work from home, which is really good because at least we were able to still earn an income somehow. Now, as of this moment, as you guys can see, I'm here filming this thing, and yes, I have healed from that surgery as well. There is still some pain here and there, obviously, because there's some scar tissues that have formed around where my surgery was. And if you're wondering what type of surgery I had, I did have my gallbladder removed, which, funny enough, I thought it was going to affect me a whole lot, but honestly, it didn't really affect me that much because I could still eat what I can, although there is some, you know, digestive issues that might be too much information for me to share in this video. But otherwise, everything is as it should be, and there had been no complications, so that's good. Now I'm back on site working. Our baby has finally slept so much better every night, more than just every 3 hours waking up. She's sleeping up to 8 to 10 hours now, which is really a blessing, and we're just really happy that she's grown and developed quite well up to this age. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope that you guys have enjoyed listening to a little bit and a piece of my life. And if you want to continue to support my video, then please like this video. If you do want to see me make more videos like this and you haven't subscribed yet, then please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.